Hi everyone! Today, we are diving into a really useful Salesforce Lightning Web Components topic. We will learn how to display toast messages that span multiple lines. You know those little pop-up notifications in Salesforce? They are great for user feedback. But sometimes, you need to convey more information than fits on a single line. The standard show toast event is powerful, but getting truly multi-line content can be a bit tricky. We will explore simple methods and also a more advanced technique using message data to achieve beautiful, informative multi-line toasts. Let's get started and make your LWC notifications even better. First, let's talk about the basics. When you create a show toast event, you set properties like title, message, variant, and mode. The message property usually takes a single string. If that string is too long, the toast message will automatically wrap to the next line. This is basic wrapping, not true distinct multiple lines that you control. For simple, plain text line breaks, you can insert a new line character \n directly into your message string. For example, message, this is line 1 \n this is line 2 will give you two distinct lines. This is the simplest approach for just breaking text. Another neat trick for plain text multi-line is to pass an array of strings to the message property. Each string in the array will then render on its own line in the toast. This provides a clean way to separate your content without relying on \n characters. Now, for more advanced multi-line messages, especially when you want to include links, bold text, or more structured content, message data is your friend. This property works in conjunction with placeholders in your main message string. You define your main message with placeholders like 0, 1, and so on. Then, you populate the message data property with an array of objects. Each object in this array corresponds to a placeholder. For instance, if your message is 0, please check 1 for details. Your message data array could contain two objects. The first object could be type, text, value, action required. For placeholder 0. The second object could be type, URL, label, this link, URL, https://yourwebsite.com. For placeholder 1. This approach allows you to break your message into distinct, formatted parts. Each part can effectively take up its own visual space, creating a multi-line effect even if it's technically one continuous message. You can use multiple type, text objects in message data to essentially create multiple distinct text lines, each formatted differently if needed, and placed by your placeholders. This gives you granular control over how each piece of information is displayed, making your toasts much more dynamic and user-friendly. By combining these techniques, you can ensure your LWC toast messages are always clear, concise, and effectively convey all necessary information, even when it requires multiple lines. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope this deep dive into multi-line toast messages in LWC was helpful for your Salesforce development. If you found this information valuable, please consider giving this video a like. Also, don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more Salesforce tips, tricks, and tutorials. Your support helps us create more content like this. See you in the next video.